Good morning class. Today I want to describe about number system for class 9. I want to describe exercise 1.3 question number 1. Clear? Concentrate your mind and listen my words. Today I want to describe decimal expansion of a fraction. Clear? Fractions are two types. First, terminating decimal expansions, and second, non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. For example, terminating fractions 1 by 4 equal to 0.25 is terminating decimal expansion, and non-terminating decimal expansion is 22 by 7 or 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equal to 0.3333 so on till infinite, and 22 by 7 equal to 3.142857 so on. Clear? No confusion? See the board. Number system exercise 1.3 question number 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Clear? Question is clear. You find decimal expansion of fractions. They are terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Clear? No suspense. See the board. First, 36 by 100, second 1 by 11, third 4 1 by 8, 3 by 13, 2 by 11, 329 by 400. Clear? You find decimal expansion of these questions. Clear? By dividing method. Clear? First solution, 36 by 100 equal to 0.36. How you find 0.36? You divide 36 by 100, then you find 0.36. 0.36 is terminated, so we can say 0.36 is terminating decimal expansion. Clear? Very easy. It is very easy. You divide 36 by 100, then you find 0.36 and you declare it is terminating decimal expansion. Clear? No suspense. Next question. Second solution, 1 by 11 equal to 0.090909 till infinite. It means here 1 by 11 equal to 0.09 repeated. 0.09 is repeated. So we can say 1 by 11 is non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Clear? You divide 1 by 11, then you find 0.09090909 till infinite. You can write it as 0.09 bar. Clear? No suspense. And you can say 0.09 or 1 by 11 is non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Clear? No suspense. Next question. Third solution, 1 by 8 equal to 4.125. How you find 4.125? You convert 1 by 8 in improper fraction. You convert 1 by 8 in improper fraction. 8 4 ja 4, 8 4 ja 32 plus 1 33 upon 8. It becomes 33 upon 8. Now you divide 33 by 8. You find 4.125. It is terminated. It is terminated. So you can say 1 by 8 equal to 33 by 8 equal to 4.125 is a terminating decimal expansion. It is very easy. You can say easily it is terminating decimal expansion because it is terminated on 3 places of decimal. Clear? No suspense. Very good. Next question. 4. Solution. 3 by 13 equal to 0.230769 bar. Here you cannot say it is terminating decimal expansion because here 0.230769 is repeating till infinite. So you can write it 0.23700769 bar. Clear? 3 by 13. You divide 3 by 13. You find 0.230769 and you declare it is non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. Clear? It is non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Clear? No suspense. Very good. Next question. Solution. 2 by 11 equal to 0.18. 2.11 equal to 0.18 bar. Here 18 bar means 0.18 is repeated till infinite. Clear? You divide 2 by 11, you find 0.18181818 till infinite. It means 0.18 repeated. So you can say it is non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Clear? You can say easily 2 by 11 equal to 0.18 bar means it is non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. Clear? No suspense. Very good. Next question. Solution. 329 by 400 equal to 0.8225. Clear? You divide 329 by 400, you find 0.8225. It is terminated. So you can say 329 upon 400 is terminating decimal expansion. Clear? In this way you can find the resultant of any question. You divide given fraction and you can find its decimal expansions and you can declare it is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansions and non-terminating decimal expansions is very easy. Given fraction terminate or given fraction declared terminating or non-terminating by dividing method. By dividing method, you divide given fraction and you can find its decimal expansions and you can declare it is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Rational number are two types: terminating and non-terminating but repeating. Clear? No suspense. Very good. Okay.